Welcome to Darver Castle. Please enjoy the tour of our exclusive wedding venue.
This is our front drawing room here at Darver Castle. We keep this room exclusively for you and your bridal party. Here you can enjoy some time out whilst enjoying complimentary drinks on arrival along with house canapes. This room is a great base for your photographer to be able to pull you for your photographs, and once you're finished with them, you can of course come back to the main house and enjoy your drinks reception. They then make their way through the main house where they can enjoy tea and coffee along with our famous Darver Castle scones. From that point, they can make their way through to Duffy's Bar within the main conservatory area where your guests will enjoy the rest of their drinks reception. So as you can see, there's plenty of space here for all your guests to be seated comfortably. We've got the beautiful details and the backdrop of the bookcase. We also have a fully stocked bar here, and just off it to the right hand side you've got additional seating then either side of the stove for your guests. Here you will also find access to our outdoor patio space. This is great for the summer months. As an option, weather permitting, you can choose to have both your music and drinks reception outside. So once your arrival reception has ended, we will then ring the bell for dinner call. Your guests will be ushered from Duffy's Bar right through to the Brabazon Suite. Before entering the Brabazon Suite, your guests will find the post box. This is ideal for the safekeeping of all cards. Here also lies the table plan where your guests will find where they're seated. The Brabazon Suite itself is steeped in history, dating back to the 14th century. Some of its original features include stone-cut walls along with high vaulted ceilings. The room itself can facilitate 280 guests and comes fully decorated. Depending on guest numbers, there are numerous floor layouts to choose from. Today you will see the top table is set up on the floor. However, this can also be set up on the stage underneath the coat of arms. As you can see, the bar is all within the main room itself. Just off it, we have a lovely snug area, great for your guests to enjoy in the later hours of the evening. Once bar and music finish up in the Brabazon Suite, your guests will be ushered to our 1432 The Residence Bar, where they can unwind and enjoy late night drinks. Welcome to the Bridal Parlour Suite. This space is designed for you and your bridal party to enjoy the experience of getting ready together the morning of your wedding. The bridal parlour is a comfortable and luxurious space overlooking our stunning walled courtyard garden. You can share a wedding brunch and prosecco and toast to what awaits you on your special day whilst your hair and makeup preparations take place. Nestled in our stunning courtyard lies our beautifully decorated Lady Susanna Suite. This ceremony space is ideal for civil ceremonies, civil partnerships and humanist ceremonies and blessings. The courtyard provides a perfect backdrop for capturing the most memorable moments of your special day. This magical venue offers a truly unique setting for your wedding vows. There are 50 rooms in total at Darver Castle Estate, situated in the main castle courtyard area. Following extensive refurbishment by the Carville family, many of the rooms have been individually and lovingly decorated, combining the castle's original features with the latest luxuries. Darver Castle can cater for 110 guests throughout the estate, ensuring absolute privacy and adding that extra personal touch to your special day.
We hope you enjoyed your tour and thank you for watching. If you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to get in touch. We look forward to seeing you soon.